News that's coming in from the state of Bihar. Businessman Gopal Khemka's murder has been caught on camera. Unidentified bike-borne assailants opened fire on him. He was shot dead just as he stepped out of his car. All the angles are being probed in this case. That's what Patna police has now said in a statement. An SIT has been formed to probe the businessman's murder case. Patna SP City Central will be leading this SIT probe. Businessman Gopal Khemka has been shot dead by miscreants. In fact, in 2018, Gopal Khemka's son was also killed in a similar manner. Police is now investigating this case. Just as he stepped out of his car, the assailants opened fire. He died on the spot. What's even shocking is the fact that his son, way back in 2018, was also called in a similar manner. My colleague Rohit Singh is now joining me on the broadcast. Rohit, the most shocking of all the things in this case is the fact that even his son, way back in 2018, was shot dead.
Well, yes, and this goes on to show that the family was on the target. In 2018, the son was shot down, and just yesterday, Gopal Khemka himself was in fact gunned down here in Patna, and this is the residence of Mr. Khemka. You can see at the top floor he was living there with his family members, and the CCTV footage that has now come in this entire case goes on to show that it was 11:38 when Gopal Khemka returned from Patna Club and was just trying to enter the premises through this gate. That is when one of the motorcycle-borne criminal who was standing just adjacent to his car, he came running. He was wearing a helmet, and he shot for two times at Gopal Khemka, and one of which hit in his head, and he succumbed to the injuries there. And thereafter, the criminal was seen running towards his motorcycle, and then he fled away. And ever since then, it's been more than 12 hours that the police investigations are going on, and still people in large numbers from the business community coming to meet the family members. But clearly goes on to show that the law and order situation in the state is really worsening in the last few months. And you can see the police personnel are present here. The CCTV footage has been seized by the police, and on the basis of the CCTV footage, the police is trying to identify this criminal who had gunned down Mr. Khemka. And also an SIT has been constituted, which will be led by SP City Central, Diksha, and investigations are going on to identify and nab the killer. But the manner in which this gruesome murder has taken place at night, 11:38 here in Patna, and he was a one of the top businessmen of the state. So clearly, this is extremely shocking, and this incident happening in an election year, just 3 to 4 months before the election year, is going to spiral into a political issue also. And you see, Tejasvi Yadav for the last few weeks has been hitting out at Nitish Kumar government over the deteriorating law and order situation in the state. And this is one more incident which goes on to show that how criminals are having a free run in the state. Back to you.
Rohit, if you can also tell us, what is the investigation at the moment pointing towards? We understand the bullet that was found, the shell that was found, all those things are now being investigated. And you also rightly pointed out that this family was on target.
Yes, this family was on target, and let me show you the exact spot where one of the empty cartridges was found by the police. This is the place where one of the empty cartridges was recovered here. And let me show you the car also in which Mr. Khemka was sitting, and this is the car. This is the car, you can see, this is a brown color Hyundai car, and inside the car you can see there are blood stains here, and this shows that how the entire incident happened. One of the killer was only one. What the CCTV footage says, there were no two persons involved in this incident. There was only one killer who came on the bike, and he shot down Mr. Khemka, and thereafter he fled from the spot. So investigations right now are going on. The CCTV footage has been seized by the police, and you can see some police officers here have come. They are all investigating this entire case. But as I was mentioning, in an election year, this gruesome killing is going to spiral into a big political issue also. And already we are seeing that the opposition has started hitting out at Nitish Kumar government over the worsening law and order situation. Back to you.
Thank you, Rohit, giving us all those details. My colleague also pointed out that now, with elections just around the corner, we are seeing the opposition in the state of Bihar pointing fingers at Nitish Kumar and his government. A prominent businessman, Gopal Khemka, has been shot dead by unidentified bike-borne assailants in the city of Patna. The unidentified assailants opened fire on Khemka. He had just stepped out of his car near his apartment, very close to his house. The residence is in the posh Gandhi Maidan area. A bullet and a shell has been recovered from the spot. Investigations in this case are underway. Gopal Khemka, also associated with BJP, and incident comes just 6 years after his son, Gunjan Khemka, was murdered in an eerily similar manner. The police have now launched a comprehensive probe, forming a special investigative team. They have now secured the crime scene. They are reviewing the nearby CCTV footages to track down the shooters. Crime has taken place in the heart of Bihar's capital, and this has wreaked massive political storm. The opposition leaders are questioning that law and order situation under Nitish government has been deteriorating over the past many months.
यहाँ पे सीन को सिक्योर किया गया है और बाकी की जांच पड़ताल की जा रही है। कैमरा से इत्यादि खंगाले जा रहे हैं और बाकी की कार्रवाई आगे की जाएगी।
घटना से कितनी गोली मिली?
एक गोली और एक खोखा बरामद हुआ है, जिसको विधिवत जब्त किया जा रहा है।
100 मीटर पर थाना है, 100 मीटर पर एसपी की कोठी है, 50 मीटर पर डीएम की कोठी है। उसके बाद 6-6, 4-4 गोली अपराधी मार देता है। सर, हम तो कह रहे हैं कि अपराधी और माफिया दलाल और शराब माफिया और जमीन माफिया, सर, जो सरकार, जो पुलिस 4 किलोमीटर मैरीन ड्राइव को सुरक्षित नहीं रख सकता, वो सर बिहार को सुरक्षित कैसे रखेगा?
आप क्या मांग कर रहे हैं?
मांग क्या है भाई?
सर, मांग क्या करना है सर?
मांग क्या करना है और कितने लाश लेंगे आप इस घर के? और लोग तो सुरक्षित नहीं है, क्या जो बचा है वो भी चला जाए?
देखिए, अत्यंत ही दुखद है, दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। ये बहुत ही दुखद घटना घटी है और ये बिहार में गोली मार सरकार हो गई है, नीतीश सरकार, ये दिखने लगा है। अपराधियों का किस कदर तांडव हो रहा है, ये अपराधियों के तांडव से बिहार करा रहा है। जब बिहार की राजधानी पटना के सबसे बड़े पॉश इलाका गांधी मैदान के समीप रात 11, साढ़े 11 बजे एक बड़े व्यवसायी थे, गोपाल खेमका जी उद्योगपति थे, उनकी गोली मारकर हत्या हो जाती है और नीतीश सरकार सोई हुई है। ये महाजंगल राज, अपराधी राज नहीं तो और क्या है? आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी बताएं, इसे किस राज की संज्ञा दी जाए?
बिहार में वस्तुतः गुंडा राज हो गया। जब जो मर्जी अपराध करता है चला जाता है और पुलिस देखती रहती है। जब राजधानी पटना में, जहाँ इतने सारी सुरक्षा बल की व्यवस्था रहती है, तब एक प्रतिष्ठित उद्योगपति, व्यापारी की हत्या हो जाती है और सरकार के लोग बैठे दावा करते हैं कि कानून का राज है। ये कानून का राज नहीं है। अब नीतीश कुमार जी और बीजेपी की सरकार लोगों की जान माल की हिफाजत करने में विफल साबित हो रही है।
इन लोगों के कारण उनकी हत्या हुई है, अपने आप में एक चिंता का विषय है, क्योंकि किसी से झगड़ा नहीं है। लोगों से बातचीत करना, प्यार करना, लोगों को मदद ही करना, ऐसे व्यक्ति का यहाँ पर हत्या होना अपने आप में एक प्रश्न खड़ा होता है।
उनकी निर्मम तरीके से अपराधी ने हत्या कर दी। यह घटना को नकारा नहीं जा सकता है। डीजीपी पुलिस ने तत्काल इसको संज्ञान में लिया। सिटी एसपी सेंट्रल के नेतृत्व में एसआईटी का गठन किया गया है और जो हम लोगों को भरोसा दिया गया है कि जल्द से जल्द अपराधी कानून के जद में आएंगे। इसका कारण क्या है? 2018 में भी इनके पुत्र की हत्या जमीन के विवाद में गुंजन खेमका का हुआ था। अपराधी कानून के जद में आए थे। अब इसका कारण क्या है?
निश्चित रूप से आपके जो चिंता है, आपकी कंसर्न है, ये हमारी भी चिंता और हमारा भी टॉप मोस्ट कंसर्न है। पूर्णतः क्राइम फ्री करना ये हमारा लक्ष्य था, है और आगे भी रहेगा। क्राइम से किसी प्रकार का कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं करना है। टॉप लेवल पॉलिटिकल लीडरशिप, टॉप लेवल पुलिस लीडरशिप, टॉप लेवल ब्यूरोक्रेटिक लीडरशिप, इसमें सुबह शाम लगी हुई है और आप देखिएगा 24 घंटे के अंदर, विदिन 24 आवर्स हम दोषियों को पकड़ लेंगे।